Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I'm going to do a yarn review on at the making of this video, which is 1/2/21, is a new yarn from Lionbrand. Now I do have an unboxing of this, so if you want to see my initial reaction to this yarn, I would watch that first, so you can get a feel of it. If you want, I'll put a link to that on the screen right now up there somewhere. If you don't see it, if you look in the comment section, I'll pin a link to the unboxing of this yarn in the comment section. It'll be the first comment that you see. But let's go ahead and do a little bit of review on it. So this is a Lionbrand Yarns Moroccan Nights. I hope I said that right. If not, I apologize. So let's go over it. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 273 yards, or 250 meters. Now they classify this as a lightweight 3, which is a DK. It's 98% acrylic, 2% polyester. A recommended knitting needle is a 4mm, and a recommended crochet hook is a 5mm. Machine wash on gentle, tumble dry on low. The color I have in my hand is called Sultan, and it is made in PRC, which is the People's Republic of China, so it's made in China. Okay, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. I already know all about it right now. Okay, so when you go to Lionbrand's website, I got 4 different colors here. This one is what I tell you it was Sultan. This one is Scarab. This one is Magic Carpet. And then I have also one that is called Lamp. Okay, so when you go to their website and you look at these, their pictures that they have that show these are extremely inaccurate. The most, I mean, it's probably the most inaccurate pictures I've ever seen Lionbrand post on their website. But I do want to mention that I am not affiliated with Lionbrand. I bought this yarn myself. I paid full price for this yarn. I do not have affiliated links where if you buy this yarn, I make money. I'm not affiliated with any yarn company, so I do not care if you buy this yarn. I'm only going to give you my honest opinion on the yarn. Good or bad, I'm going to give it to you honest. You can take my review as you will. But remember, everybody is different. What I like may not be something that you like, and what I don't like might be something that you love. So, like I said, the pictures on their website are nothing of what you will get in person. When I opened these, I did not even think that they sent me the right yarn, because it was that inaccurate. The feel of that is, I say it's not that soft. It's 2 strands together with a sparkle through one of them. You can see the one straight strand and the one twisty strand that has the sparkle. And they do have multiple colors inside. They kind of ombre out a little bit, not that well. I'd say they more gradient out, I guess. But anyways, I did, it is a very lightweight 3 also. So as far as the weight goes, I would consider an extremely lightweight 3. Not something, lighter than a light. I mean, it's a lightweight 3, but it's a really lightweight 3. Softness factor, it's just not really there. You know how sometimes different colors can make yarns a little bit softer. The softest one I felt is brown, and it's not even that soft. These kind of feel more Red Heart Super Savorish, like or Red Heart with Love. Maybe that would be as far as I would go with them. Maybe they will soften up after the wash, which very well could be. I don't see them holding up too well in the wash. Ooh, they just don't feel that good to me. Okay, so I'm going to move them over. Now I did do some crocheting with it. I had a hard time using such a lightweight yarn. I do have arthritis in my hand, and I can't use lightweight yarns, and this being a really lightweight 3 as it is, it was hard for me, but I did it. So this is the swatch I use with the recommended crochet hook size. You can see I did some bobbles and doubles and half doubles. It did split on me. It was not easy to crochet with, which I knew, and I mentioned in my other video that that was going to be the case. Bobbles, you can see them, not the greatest, but they, you know, stitch definition is okay with it. You can see them, but they blend in too. You know, if you used a bigger hook, I think it would make more of a drapier project. That would be my recommendation on it. And these run $5.99 a ball. Now, I'm going to make this short and sweet. I don't like this yarn. I won't buy it again. Now, there are a few reasons why I don't like this yarn. Number one, I feel like they pulled a fast one on me by making the yarn on their website look more beautiful than what it actually is. Well, for me anyways, like I said, I couldn't even tell. I thought they sent me the wrong yarn whenever I got these. They look nothing like Lionbrand shows on their website. They need to update that. And, you know, I mentioned in my other video, I know that the center is different, but it still looks nothing. This looks nothing like the pictures they show. You guys go check them out on Lionbrand. What you see on Lionbrand isn't. For this Moroccan Nights, their colors are so deep, so gorgeous looking. They look so sparkly. It's not what I got. I got a yarn that was unrecognizable to me. I could not tell you which color was which by looking at mine, comparing it to the website. I didn't like that. Maybe it was unintentional. It probably was unintentional, but they did make their yarn look better on their website than what it was. Almost more than any of the other yarn that I've ever bought. This is the most inaccurate looking yarn that I've ever seen on a website. I don't like that it's so super lightweight. I can't use it being an extremely lightweight 3 like that. It's too hard for me. It split terribly. It's not very soft. And it's not their best. It's not their best. Yeah. The prettiest one is probably this brown. That's only because I like brown. But let's see how well it comes apart when you make a mistake. It gets hung up on itself. Like I said, it does split. It wasn't splitting terribly, but it does split. I knew it would, though. Coming apart okay, though. That's always a good sign when it comes apart okay. Good. Good. That's one thing good that it has going for it. Now, for those of you that like lightweight yarns, you might like this. I personally do not like it. I don't. There's nothing about it that I like. The only thing I like is the color of this brown. The sparkles aren't even as sparkly as I thought they would be. I love sparkle yarn, but this one's just not doing it. It's not very soft. The colors were just so not what they showed. It was just so turned me off on the yarn right there. And it's not soft. $5.99. I will not buy this again. I'm sorry, Lionbrand. Like I mentioned in my other video, they all can't be winners. I had high hopes for this yarn. I thought it was going to be beautiful. I opened the box and it looks nothing like your website. It splits when you crochet with it. It's too thin. It's not for me. It might be for you. I always recommend that everybody give it a go. Try it out. You might like it. It might be the best yarn you've ever used in your entire life. I don't like it. If I had to give it a rating on a scale 1 to 10, I'd give it like a... Considering it's not very soft. It's not very sparkly. The website portrayed it as something that it's not. It's not gonna, you know, I saw it on the website, I'm like, it's gorgeous, I get in, I'm like, what the heck is this? What the heck is this? I'm gonna give it a 4, 3, I don't know, I don't even want to rate it, because I would never buy this again. It's not for me. Sorry, Lionbrand, nothing against you, I love your yarns. This one, though, didn't do it for me. I won't buy it ever again. I will never use it. I only did it for the swatch, just so I could show people, and I knew that it was going to split. It's too thin, it's too splitty, it's too stiff. It's too not like your website. It's not sparkly like it shows. None of the colors are what they show. And I just don't like it. Okay. Sorry, Lionbrand. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Like I said, they all can't be winners. This one isn't it. It's not for me. But give it a go. You guys might like it. Just because I don't mean you won't. You like thin yarns, you might like it. But just remember, the color on their website is not what you're going to get. That's not what I got. It's probably going to be unrecognizable to you once you get it. But to each their own, right? Moroccan Nights. I won't buy it again. It's not for me. But I will put it in giveaways because someone else might enjoy it. Just because I don't mean other people won't. Now, have you tried this yarn? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about it if you have tried it. I mean, I'm not against other people that have different opposed opinions to me. I know what I hate, other people love, and things I love, other people hate. That's just life. How boring it would be if we were all the same. Thanks everybody for watching. Hey, have a good night. Bye guys.